He said to me, "Have you taken your breakfast?" I said to her, "Do you know me?" In both the sentences, I used two questions. One is, "Have you taken your breakfast?" Second is, "Do you know me?" Both the questions started with auxiliary verbs. When a question started with auxiliary verbs, this is called yes or no question. This video is about how to change one direct speech sentence into indirect speech where you use yes or no question if the reported speech is yes or no question. So this is Varnama Patra. Welcome back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. I would like to say, while you're changing from direct speech to indirect speech, we have to remember some points. What are the points? We have to identify the parts of the sentence. What is the parts of the sentence? This is the part, is speaker, reporting verb, object, and this portion, the sentence, is reported speech. We have to identify such portions, and also we have to identify the pronoun and verb. Okay, auxiliary verb, right? As this sentence starts with one auxiliary verb, this is one yes or no question. Okay, so we'll say how to change one sentence from direct speech to one indirect speech when the reported speech starts with the auxiliary verb. Okay, so the visitor said to will be asked. Why? Because this is one question. Someone asks. So asked. As it is simple past, said, so it will be simple past. Asked me. Don't write to. Asked to. No. Asked. The visitor asked me. Then add conjunction if for yes or no question. Then we have to identify the subject in this sentence. Which is subject here? Your father. Which words are changed? The words are changed. Those are pronouns and verbs. Okay, auxiliary verbs. Here pronoun your. You remember when second person pronoun is there, that will be changed as per object. If first person pronoun, that will be changed as per speaker. Third person pronouns will not be changed, right? So here, your father. Your is one possessive pronoun, right? So possessive pronoun here means object, right? So possessive pronoun of me is what? My father. Father is third person, will not be changed, and it is one noun, not pronoun. Okay, only pronouns will be changed. If my father is, will be was, right? The verb will be changed into its corresponding past. It is present verb, present be verb will be changed past be verb. At home. Okay. Hitler said to his men, "Are you ready to die for your country?" Here Hitler, speaker, said to asked. Asked whom? His men. His men. Okay. Then conjunction if. Then you find out the subject. Subject here you. Second person pronoun. Second person pronoun will be changed as per object. Object is his men. Right? So it is plural noun, men. So you will be what? They. Pronoun will be written, not noun. If they ready to die for your country, they are will be what? Were. Corresponding past. Ready to die for your country, their country. Second person pronoun as per object. Okay, as it is possessive pronoun, it will be their country. And full stop. You remove question mark. She said, may I use your pen, Dolly? She said to whom? To Dolly. It is object. Speaker she said is a repeating verb and Dolly is a object. She said to Dolly. Right? May I use your pen? So she asked Dolly. Right? If first person pronoun are will be changed as per speaker. Speaker she, so use she. She may, its corresponding past might. She might use your pen. She might use your possessive pronoun will be changed as per object. Object Dolly. Feminine gender. So will be what? Her pen. Full stop. Understand? She asked Dolly if she might use her pen. Next number. The clerk said to his officer, shall I write the letter again, sir? Here, the clerk is the speaker, said to repeating verb. This is object and repeated speech. Okay. While you changing from direct speech to indirect speech, the important points are, one is the repeating verb. If the repeating verb is in past form, the tense will be changed into its corresponding past. Whose tense? Tense of repeated speech. Right? And another thing, pronouns will be changed. In repeated speech, the pronouns will be changed as per speaker and object. Right? And conjunction if will be added. Question mark will be removed and full stop will be added. And this is for the yes or no question. If will be added only for yes or no question. Right? When a sentence, a question starts with auxiliary verb, that is yes or no question. Again repeating. Okay, I am repeating. The clerk said to his officer, shall I write the letter again, sir? This is speaker, the clerk. So the clerk said to, asked his officer. His officer. Don't do the mistake writing to. Don't write. Okay? Only asked. For said to, we have to add asked. So, here one clerk asking his officer. Right? So, we have to add here respectfully. Okay? Respectfully. The clerk asked his officer respectfully if, what I told in yes or no question, while you change it from direct speech to indirect speech, conjunction if will be added. If, then subject. Subject first person pronoun I will be changed as per speaker. Speaker the clerk. For the clerk, pronoun is he. Right? He shall, should write. He should write the letter again. The letter again. Full stop. My friend said to me, have you booked a ticket for me? My friend said to, asked. You remember, if the repeating verb is in past form, then the tense will be changed in the repeated speech. What? Corresponding past. Otherwise, tense will not be changed. My friend, otherwise means if the tense present or future, so the tense will not be changed in repeated speech. My friend asked me if you, second person pronoun will be changed as per object. Object me here, it's a subjective form I. So if I Have booked. Here verb, auxiliary verb have will be what? Had booked a ticket. For then pronoun came, first person pronoun me. So first person pronoun will be changed as per what? Speaker, right? So what will be? For him. Full stop. They said to her, do you have a car? They asked her. They asked her if. Do you have a car? You is subject here. What I told? Second person pronoun will be changed as per object her. It's a subjective form she. She do have a car. Simple present will be changed into simple past. So past form of have, had. She had a car. Full stop. They asked her if she had a car. I hope the concept became clear for you. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.